To answer number 24, I find it helpful to know what the general equation for a circle would look like. And that would look like x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And this is where hk would be the center of the circle, and which they tell us is 0, 4. So this is my h, this is my k. And let's see, they tell me an endpoint on the circle. So some particular point on the circle. Let me graph this real quick. So 0, 4 is the center. So right here. And then 4/3, which is like 1 1/3. So 1 1/3, 5 would be like that. And that point is going to be on the circle. So the circle is about like this. And here's 0, 4. And here's 4/3, comma 5. So to get the radius, okay, if this is h and this is k for 0 and 4, and then 4/3, comma 5 is some random point on the circle, and I can let that be x, y. So I know my h, I know my k, I know my x, I know my y. If I throw all that into the general equation, I can find r, and then finish the problem. Okay, so let's just follow the formula. X is 4/3 minus the h value, quantity squared, plus y, which is 5, minus the k value, which is 4, quantity squared, equals r squared. So this is going to be 4/3 quantity squared plus 1 squared is equal to r squared. So squaring a fraction, you just square the top and bottom separately. So 16/9 plus 1 equals r squared. 1 I can think of as 9/9, so that I can add the fractions. So that would become 25/9, which is r squared. And square rooting both sides, r would become 5/3. So I know my radius now, and they already told me my center is 0, 4. So now just throw everything into the general equation. And this time leave x and y alone though. So x minus 0 quantity squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared is equal to r squared. So 5/3 squared. So just cleaning that up a bit, you get x squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared is equal to 25/9. So we are looking for option A.